Hey, what's up, traders? It's November 11th. It's 11:30 New York session Central Time. Markets are pretty much at a standstill now, and I want to go over some pairs, what I'm looking at, and it's been a somewhat quiet day, but Asian session last night, man. New Zealand dollar just went beast mode, out of control, and it was looking so good on these NZD pairs earlier this week, and the banks had different plans in mind, that's for sure. But as a result, I think we have some awesome setups going forward, how we can play that out. So I'm going to show that to you in some sharp charts, show you what I'm trading, and show you what I'm looking forward to going into the rest of the week. We still got the election on hold. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. Just because the mainstream media says somebody won, the mainstream media is never. They have nothing to do with the electoral process in our country. So I'm not going to get on a rant, but they don't decide. People decide, voters decide, and then we're going to hopefully in a court decide to figure out who the real voters were, and all the votes that perhaps were fraudulent can get counted, and we can actually have a real election process. But as of right now, none of that stuff's happening. And why I brought that up, things are on hold. Everything is just kind of at a standstill. And but you still have to be prepared for these massive moves, like what happened last night during the Asian session with the New Zealand dollar. So thanks for watching. If you're new to me, click the link below to check out my channel, everything I do. I teach people from beginner, intermediate to advanced how to trade, my strategies that are super simplified and very effective for whatever level of the game you are. If you're just getting started, if you're just figuring it out, if you're like, man, maybe there's something to this, to all the way, if you want to become full-time, get funded, be a part of a full-on mentoring group to become a professional and be a full-time trader, I can get you there. So click the link below, check that stuff out. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you all and show you what I'm trading here at the moment. These are different trades I've sent out in the group. Still looking at GJ here. All my charts got a bit reset. We were trading in this nice, somewhat of a flag pattern, I guess you would call it. False breakout and then breakdown. False breakout and then a breakdown. So this is a pretty recurring pattern right now for the pound yen going on. So this is a pretty big level that we're currently at. We're right around the 6. Hey, what's up, traders? Hope you like this video. Doing a $100 giveaway for everybody that likes, comments, and is subscribed to our channel. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered in the drawing. Enjoy the video. This pretty significant zone. So, to be honest, I think around this area up here might be setting up for a better short, but we'll see, right? So we still have these candles that are going right now, but it's a little hard to say. It's a little unclear with the pound yen. So I've got it kind of on hold, but what I'm trading now at the moment, and I like particularly because we did have these massive sell-offs. I got in a little too early on EURNZD last night, unfortunately. But I mean, that's the name of the game. So we're at this huge level of support. We're trying to break through here on Aussie New Zealand. And if we did break this level, this would be a big move and a big development for sure. But I am looking for it to hold. All right, sorry guys, got a little phone call there and kind of messed up my vibe. So what we were trading here is in a bit of a bull flag pattern that just kept on going on and turned into a bit of a descending channel. So we're at the bottom of this channel here. I am hoping it will hold. I think it will. I'm in at 105.80, sent out to my the VIP group. And, I particularly like the setup that we have going on here. And I guess it was 2 weeks ago, I've been kind of playing this bottom all the way down here. So, you know, I think this is going to be a really good play. We'll see. And so now I'm just looking across the board at these different NZD pairs. Aussie, New Zealand, Euro, New Zealand, which I got in down here at 171. I shared this trade with my accelerator group this morning. I got in last night a little early at this, let's see, I was at 161% retracement. Maybe it was even this move right here from the low, which, to be honest, I was really, really shocked the way this played out, because we just went barreling through on just a shorter time frame these different Fibonacci extensions. And, you know, from the top of this move right here to, I mean, the thing about Euro New Zealand, if you're trading it, you all, so definitely be careful. This is a 200 pip move in a matter of 50 minutes. And so, like, but, you know, I think this is going to become a pretty good play here. We are approaching, if we use that extension level, this 261% Fibonacci retracement. And, you know, lately in my trading, I used to use it a lot more, these Fibonacci levels, but man, they are very, very effective in finding these kind of like false breakout moves. So, but, you know, we have this level of support here, or liquidity pool, a lot of orders, a lot of money down here, and I wouldn't be surprised to see us, I think that the risk is very likely, one, that, you know, we do come up and we bounce and at least retest what was support as resistance, but, you know, maybe a false breakdown here for then a move higher. But, you know, on multiple time frames, here we are on the daily. See this level right here, these fractals that kind of held this line, and we're back at it. So like, this is a critical zone here for Euro New Zealand. But if it does play out this way, man, I think this is going to be a one heck of a bounce. So I'll be watching for that. RDN, Euro, NZD, Euro CAD. Sent that trade out not too long to the group. And as you can see, usually I'm just like all in, just trading dollar pairs. But right now, with everything going on, it's that's super, super difficult to do, because nobody really knows exactly what's going to happen. So I've been looking at other crosses and elsewhere. And this is an old friend. I was trading this for a while. You know, if you're looking at that and you're like, wow, that's a cup and handle. It looks like a teacup. The one concerning thing about this is that this handle has been going on and we've been in this range for quite some time now. But as far as basic technical analysis goes, man, this looks like a pretty great setup. If anything, you know, we can negate the cup part of it, and we have this triangle formation going on, another channel. But I'm here looking for a bounce from 153.65. I think this is going to be a great play. So now, so you can see I'm in a Euro long, Euro CAD, Euro NZD, looking for NZD pullbacks. And so now also, you know, with that logic, I'm looking at, hey, where can I get in another potential Euro situation? And here we are in Euro pound, right? So quite the channel breakdown. Pretty, you know, either we break this level of support here, but you can see we bounced very hard off of this this bottom here. Let's see where the low. Pretty interesting, right? We caught that level right there. I'm going to be looking for a re-entry, probably placing some sort of a buy limit. Around 88.64 and be looking for a potential false breakdown here. So, you know, you find one situation, see where there's a really good high probability setup, and then look across the board and correlating markets to really find that and capitalize on that situation. So hope you found this video helpful. You know, I guess it's Wednesday now. I think Wednesday. Yeah, so it's been a long week since everything went down. But you know, all we got to do is we still have to keep our mindset, keep our goals and focus, keep moving forward no matter what happens, so we can prepare ourselves to weather any storm that comes in our way. So thanks for watching. If you want to be a part of my groups, if you want to have me mentor you and teach you how to trade, teach you these methods and take you to the next level, I can help get you there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the VIP group. Peace.